back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I have came on camera. It's so awkward kind of. I'm like talking to myself, but and if you hear snoring in the background, it's either my dog or my dad or my brother, because they're all sleeping because it is 9 o'clock. You probably can't see that, but it is 9:30 p.m. Come back and do like an unboxing type video, because I ordered a bunch of stuff from Shopmissa. I think that's what it is. Shopmissa, yeah, which I will have a link to down below in the description for you guys. So this was the whole package. I spent, I think, like $15 on all this stuff in here, and it's like 16 items and $1 for shipping. It's a no-brainer. So I thought, why not make a giant haul video for you guys, since I haven't been here in forever. There's 4 things that I got like a hot minute ago from them that I just wanted to show you. Just because, well, it's a haul for them. First are 2 highlighters. One's just a normal one and one's a baked one. This is the normal high shadow. I can't even speak. That's how long it's been. This is the Halo highlighter from AOA Studio, which I think is their brand, AOA. And it's in the shade Blissful. My lighting is like super bright. I'm trying to like adjust it and fix it, but it's like hella bright. But I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a bit more like, has like some gold in there. It's very pretty. Some gold and pink. It's very like silvery kind of. I don't even know if you can see these swatches because it's so bright in here. Next is their Wonder Baked Shadow, and this is in the color Snap. If I can find links to all these products, I will link it down below. Which, this is just a straight up gold eyeshadow. What? You can use it as eyeshadow, but it's a highlighter. I'm obsessed with highlighters. And their products are hella good. For like $1, you can't beat that. That's that. And then I have their Wonder Brow. It's supposed to be like the Anastasia Dip Brow. This is in the shade Dark Brown, and I have no makeup on my face right now because I didn't wear it on to work. My hair is slightly a mess, but when was it not? And this is their Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. I don't really use this as much because I don't know if you can tell, but there are shimmers in here, and I don't do shimmery primers. I don't know. I don't like the way they look on my face, and it's like liquid, and then it's like caked up glitter. No thanks. That's the only thing I don't like, is this one had glitter in it. But I ordered this stuff like a hot minute ago, so it's Shopmissa, or just Miss A, and it's shopmissa.com. Again, there will be a link below. So we are going to open this bad boy right here on camera. Oh my god. Holy Jesus. I got it. Bag is empty. Let me just fill it out, which is probably like the return label, and oh, that's weird. Cool paper. But it's just showing me what I got and everything. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There's 14. Oh, so it says it right here. 14 items for $15. There's a $1 shipping. And it has bubble wrap. My dog is knocked out right now in the bed. So I don't really want to pop this because then I will wake him up and scare the shit out of him. I do have a movie playing in the background for him to sleep. Gonna open this. They wrap this fucking sorry for my language. Freaking amazingly, I think. I was gonna open it from the ends or just unravel it, but yeah, the one has a little Shopmissa sticker with the tissue paper. And then they have styrofoam. Last time I got a package from them, and I could not open it. there's like hella tape. And there's only for like 3 items. So I'm unraveling all the goodies. So these are the goodies. There's some eyelashes in there. Doesn't look like much, but it's quite a bit. Okay, first thing I'm going to take out, which I was excited for, is this brush. AOA Studio, which is their brand. And this is the F19 brush, which I believe this was their highlighting brush, if I'm not mistaken. F19 highlighter brush, yes. So this is their highlighter brush because, as you guys know, like a few months ago, like last year, I had the Anastasia one, but my dog ate it. So I needed a new one because all my other brushes sucked for highlight. Or 3 pairs of eyelashes. They're all different, I hope. Yeah. Last time I bought all 3 of the same pair. So the first one are their violet. It's just their violet eyelashes, which these are hella thick and slightly dramatic. It doesn't really tell you which ones are dramatic or natural. Obviously these aren't. And they're a cruelty-free brand. They love the animals, and they're out of Texas. So yeah. So these are the violet ones. These are the Amelia. Look gorgeous. And these are the Mila, which I think these are like an everyday lash. Super natural, like literally natural. The other ones are like hella dramatic and wispy. I have products in this styrofoam thing and a plastic bag. I'm going to do the plastic bag. Get comfy in my chair here. My dog is like licking the air as he's knocked out. But this is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. And it's in matte translucent. So it's a matte setting powder. So yeah, it's just your basic translucent powder. I like to take this plastic like separator thing with the holes off so you get more powder that way. Yeah, so it's just your basic translucent powder. So next, this is the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. Why does this look black? So that's what that looks like. I don't know if y'all can. Maybe the packaging's just black. Nope, that's dark brown. Excuse me. Yeah, it's dark brown. That looks like that's gonna create perfect brows. I'm excited because these brows need some perfectness. And this has just a spoolie, which this is a little bubble one. It's a little baby spoolie. But excited to use that guy. Next. Oh, I guess I got another primer type thing. So this is their AOA Studio Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer. Yeah, it's just a mattifying primer. But why does this, you know, most primers are like clear. Why does this look like it's like colored? I don't know. So I need something to help with my oily areas because my face has been extremely oily. Although it is wintertime here in New York, I am still oily. As I get older, it just gets worse. Why does it sound like this is open? Oh, it's all in the cap. But yeah, it's like somewhat tinted. Let me try blending. I don't know if it matters. I think so. It has a slight tint to it, which I feel like will help even out some of the skin and stuff, but that smells really good. But yeah, again, this is the Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer. Don't let the color scare you. It does go clear when you rub it in. Next, I just have a liquid liner in black, of course. Just going to swatch this bad boy and get on with our lives because Christina can't stop talking. So I think this is what, like a felt tip liner. Ew. That's pretty, pretty. Can never have too many eyeliners, I'm telling you. I have like a boatload. Next are 3 lip products. Which, these are the Wonder Mattes. Yes. These are the AOA Wonder Mattes. I got all like ranging different shades. Nice packaging, I feel. I don't know, I just like the nice clear with the silver or gold. Which this is a very nice red color. It's like a pinky red, I feel. It's not like a red red. But we are going to swatch it to see. Oh. That smells like candy. Now my thing with matte lipsticks, or matte anything, like, you cannot be too, like, I don't know. I just wanted like a very good swatch. They come out super pigmented, not streaky, but I feel like it's already drying down. So it's like a fast drying matte, but it is pretty much a red red. It's a little pinky. Has a little pink orange tinge to it, but not super horrible. That's gonna like throw me off. I was looking for a really nice red matte. So I have a couple, but they're so drying on the lips. So I thought, why not try something else? We'll see how that works. The next one is in Sugar, which is this like mauve-y, purpley pink off. So yeah, it's this mauve-y, pinky, purple. Well, it's like a mauve color, basically. It's in the color Sugar. Again, it smells fucking delicious. Oh yes, this is like right up my alley. Look how pretty that is. I don't know. It smells so good, but even next to each other, they look fucking amazing. I suck at swatches. Next is a nude, and I say a nude nude. I hope this does not look white on my lips, even though I am pale right now. As you guys can see, I haven't spray tanned or anything like that. And this is in the color Fleek. Let me show you guys, because I don't know. I didn't show the other two. But yeah, this is just what it looks like. It is legit a nude. I don't think you can get any more nudie than this. Oh, there's still paper on you. Get off of me. This one smells a little weird. Doesn't smell bad, but just doesn't smell like my favorite. I just try to get thick enough swatches for you guys. This one I notice is a little bit more liquidier than the other ones. And they're all Wonder Mats. Yeah. But yeah, so that's the nude color there. I don't even know if you can see it on my hand. But that's it right there. It's super cute. I don't know. But that's all the liquid lips. It's like swatch them on my face. Okay, next we're gonna go, well, these are the last few items, I'm guessing, which are in this styrofoam. So we're gonna unravel these. I'm probably gonna order more stuff off there, but they do have like accessories, hair stuff, like, they do have beauty blenders. That's where I got most of my beauty blenders. They're not, well, not most of them, but I have a whole bunch of beauty blenders. So I ordered a bunch from there, and you can't really tell the difference. Like the knockoff from the real one, they don't even like rip or shred. When you use them, they're legit amazing. Okay, so there was 3 items in there. A finishing press powder and 2 blushers. Okay, first we're going to start with the powder, which is in plastic. They really package their stuff very well, especially for the stuff being $1. And do you see that pigmentation for $1? You cannot go wrong. Like, I swear. For $1. Freaking amazing. And they're out of the US, so it's not from China, and you're not have to worry about, like, what kind of chemicals are they putting in here to make this, stuff like that. So can I open it? And their packaging is super cute because it's just simple, and I love simple packaging. That's why it's cute to me. But yeah, so this is the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Finishing Pressed Powder. Almost got it. That's what that looks like. So it's in translucent, so it's just white. But I believe you can get these in different like shades for your skin tone. I just get translucent because translucent my shit, and then you just blend it. I feel like it's a very nice, soft powder. You gotta be gentle because it is pressed, so it is more fine. But But yeah. Last but not least, oh, this video's over already. I kind of wish I ordered more stuff to show y'all. These are two blushes. They're both the Lumi Radiant blushes from OA Studio. Ooh, this is so much prettier in person. Oh, the camera's not even doing it justice. Let me try to get my light out of the way. No, that's making it worse. Can I move this? Look at that. I moved my light, but can you see that colors? Look. So we're gonna swatch. Oh, I'm swirling the gold and the pink. Or am I putting you down here? Oh, you can even use this as a highlighter if you don't want to use it as a blush. Because I know some people don't like shimmery blushes. It's that right there. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Pretty. Oh. And this is in the color Rose Dawn. And the last one is this awesome, this is in the color Wine, which I'll show y'all first. Which it is like the perfect winey blush. Because you got like your purples, your pinks. Oh, your perfect wines. Literally wine colors. I love wine. Oh, look at that. That's like a perfect wine. And the most horrible swatch ever. But that's the color right there. And that is it. But like, oh my freaking god. And the mattes are dry. And they're not. Oh, the other one's not. But the more liquidier one takes a little bit longer to dry than these two. But I am definitely, I'm going to swatch this one on my lips for you guys. Let's bucket these suckers up. Alright. Ooh. So good. Not gonna go too crazy. I see that, but what? That's like dry already. So that's not swatched on my lips. That's like dry. Oh, not completely. It feels dry on my lips. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on there. Yeah, so those products are freaking amazing. But I will do, even though I won't use this lip, I'll try the other one because, hey, it could be the same formula, but different feel. I have eyeshadows and stuff on their website as well, which I'll order some of those. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I plan on making tons more videos for you guys because I've been talking about filming for like ever and ever. And like I want to get back to doing it. I don't have time and this pops up, that pops up. And I just couldn't, but now I do. So definitely keep a lookout on my channel for more videos because I will definitely be filming them. And I will definitely talk to you. I know I was MIA, and I know back in like December, I think, I said I was going to be gone for like a few months, but I was supposed to have surgery, like weight loss surgery, which I want to talk about because I don't care. I don't know if I talked about this or not on my channel. I was supposed to have weight loss surgery, but I chickened out and I didn't do it. So yeah, that's that. We went to the doctor for the consultation and all that, and what she was saying that I could possibly die and get an infection in my stomach, and I'm like, oh fuck no. We're not doing this. She basically talked me out of the surgery. So, that's why I'm here. Still fat. No, I did lose 30 pounds in the last 3 months, so it's good.